Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you would check your power steering fluid and where you gain access to that. So your power steering fluid reservoir is right here below this cover. And so we'll need to remove this cover, and the way we remove this cover is we have your oil filler cap right here. You need to remove that to be able to pull this off. So you turn that, you're counterclockwise to remove that, then you're going to pull it up and you're going to pull it toward you because there are tabs on the back that lock under this shield on the plenum. So once you've removed that, you'll want to make sure you put your cap back on there so we don't get any dirt and debris down into the engine. Right here is the power steering fluid reservoir, and so you're going to turn that counterclockwise and then just pull it up and be able to check it and to see that we have power steering fluid in there. And then if you needed to, you would add some and then just put the cap back on and twist it the clockwise to tighten it back up. And then you would go ahead and in reverse order to put this on, we're going to remove our oil cap and then press that down and make sure we're putting it at an angle at the top to make sure these tabs go under that shield there, and then tighten that cap. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.